Hello everyone, in the last video we configured our server using AWS EC2 account, AWS EC2 service, and in this video I'm going to install Mosquitto MQTT Broker in my server. So let's get started. I have wrote some prompts here. So I will be using all these prompts to install MQTT Broker, Mosquitto MQTT Broker. And if you followed the last video, I have already downloaded my MQTT keys. I'm going to use it to connect the MacBook terminal to my EC2 instance. So let's get started. Terminal, open your terminal here, and now copy this command and now I'm going to connect my EC2 instance from terminal. Yes. Perfect, it is now connected. Now I'm going to install the Mosquitto MQTT client. It is so lightweight, so I think it should be downloaded in few minutes. Now let's enable it. Yeah. Now use this command. Now I will restart Mosquitto. And now let's check the Mosquitto MQTT status using this command, so we can check it is installed and active or not. So you can see it is already installed, and yeah, it's working perfect. So Mosquitto has been installed successfully in our AWS EC2 instance. Hi, so now let's do some testings. Our Mosquitto MQTT is operational or not. So first open your terminal and give this command. With this command we are connecting our SSH with the EC2 instance. Okay, it is now connected, and now give this command. Okay, and now it is running. Now we are going to publish a message from terminal 2. So just copy this and paste it here. And now let's check the terminal 1. It has received any message or not. So you can see it has subscribed a message from publisher, hello from AWS EC2. So you can see I have tested my Mosquitto broker using AWS EC2 service, and it has operational and working perfect. Thank you.